stay popping a wine and cocking a nine. For those who think they stopping my dough when I copy my show, I'm switching the flow, can't take it no more. Oh, you think I'm playing around? I'm laying you down. Album drop, new millennium, shutting it down. Better off giving it up, I'm ripping it up. Spending money, living it up, not giving a fuck. Hot on the toast, running the coast, making niggas catch the Holy Ghost. I'm realer than most. Whoa, the trendsetter, the Brooklyn rapper. You know the routine, smoking like a cigarette. Ain't been out in a bit, y'all still talking shit. Ain't that a bitch? What part of the game is this?
Cause I'm rolling, drop top rolling, diamonds on my neck, Bentley ballin'. Me and my niggas getting high all day, straight to the top, yes we on our way.
Coming for y'all, that's right, I got something for y'all, something for y'all. Whoa. God bless me, look at all I've been through. It's my time, I can feel it, can't you?
I can feel it coming in the air tonight. Oh Lord, and I've been waiting for this moment for all my life. Oh Lord, can you feel it coming in the air tonight? Oh Lord, oh Lord.
What y'all thinking?
Back when it used to be the 80s, said the world was going in 2000.
That's crazy.
I'm the only thing to fear for the new year, and if B.I.G. was here, get the fan, cause we don't wanna talk, we diarrhea on the street, so watch where you walk, and you can find me usually talking dirty to a cat thugged out, or even kinda nerdy. Kim, Little C's and JM taking over like a plague on the town. All y'all could do is pray and watch it go down, like when the ball drop, my fam's all I got, we keep it gangsta. Coming for y'all, that's right, I got something for y'all, something for y'all. Whoa. God bless me, look at all I've been through. It's my time, I can feel it, can't you?
Told me you were drowning, I would not lend a hand. I've seen your face before, my friend, but I don't know if you know who I am. Well, I was there and I saw what you did. I saw it with my own two eyes. So you can wipe out that grin. I know where you've been. It's all been a pack of lies. And I can feel it coming in the air tonight. Oh Lord. Well, I've been waiting for this moment for all my life. Oh Lord. I can feel it coming in the air tonight. Oh Lord. And I've been waiting for this moment all my life. Oh Lord. Oh Lord. I can feel it coming in the air tonight. Oh Lord. And I've been waiting for this moment for all my life. Oh Lord.
Keep stealing the shine, killing the rhyme. The queen stay popping a wine and cocking a nine. For those who think they stopping my dough when I copy my show, I'm switching the flow, can't take it no